Okay, so what is today? The 15th? Yeah, February 15th. So we're permanently here in South Carolina. Uh, we closed on February 13th on a house in Louisiana, so we are here permanently now, and we have a lot of crap to deal with as far as organization and stuff. So we're going to be doing some renovations, a lot of them. So here's what we're going to have to do. So this is my shop, and it is completely wrecked with an abundance of shit. So I'm not going to show you the rest of the house because my wife would kill me, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a wall where this beam's at, and then on the left side of the wall will be my shop. I'm going to have to redo my shop, even though I just finished that miter station. I'm going to redo it. And then on the right side, I'm going to have it as some storage and organization as we buy stuff for the renovation, and also to make room for, like, when we clean out the kitchen and the bedrooms and stuff, that we have a place to put it that is climate controlled and easy storage. So that is what I'm going to do. And then once the renovations are complete, then this side will become a gym. This side will be like an office, man cave stuff, maybe something like that. And then out there on the property somewhere, I will be putting a shop. So I will be posting progress as I get these things done. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's where I am after I don't know how long I've been actually working, but a good bit of the day anyways, and my back is killing me, and I think it's time to stop. So let me show you the progress that I have made. So I got the wall put up. I started cleaning in here to make room for the storage of all the shit in the other side of the house. I'm spinning you around. Sorry if I'm getting you sick. This is still a disaster. I have a plan. It's just going to take a while to execute, unfortunately, but we will get there. I have a lot of tools that I had, a lot of duplicate tools I've had. Like, I have a planer there, and then I have a planer here, and I have a jointer underneath there, and I have the jointer there, and then I have a jointer on the other side of that purple insulation sheet that I am restoring. So I have a lot of multiple tools that I will be getting rid of. So and that will help out tremendously. So stay tuned for the progress. Stay tuned for the progress. And hopefully I'm just a few weeks away from getting some back in the shop and to get some stuff done. So anyways, cheers.